am Madara and my research title is Fatty Acid Profiles of Selected Widely Consuming Traditional Rice Varieties of Sri Lanka. As you all know, rice is the dietary staple in most of the Asian countries including Sri Lanka, and Sri Lanka has a long history of rice cultivation and reported to have more than 1000 traditional rice varieties. However, only few traditional rice varieties are presently being popular among consumers and their fatty acid profiles are less investigated. Therefore, this study evaluates the fatty acid profiles of 10 selected widely consuming pigmented and non-pigmented rice varieties. As for the materials, locally grown 10 traditional rice varieties were obtained from Rice Research and Development Institute, Batalagoda. Before analysis, rough rice samples were dehulled and ground to obtain rice flour. Then fat was extracted from rice flour using Soxhlet extraction, and extracted fat was derivatized to fatty acid methyl esters using methanolic KOH and analyzed by gas chromatography flame ionization detection. Crude fat content of studied rice varieties varied from 1.94% to 2.94%, and major fatty acids present were palmitic, oleic and linoleic acids, and total saturated fatty acid content ranged from 4.40 to 7.09 milligram per gram of rice, and total monounsaturated fatty acid content ranged from 8.35 to 12.18 milligram per gram, and total polyunsaturated fatty acid varied from 6.65 to 10.13 milligram per gram, and polyunsaturated fatty acid to saturated fatty acid ratio range from 1.22 to 1.63, and it was highest in white rice variety Kahawanu. And results have shown statistically significant differences in fat and fatty acid profiles among the tested rice varieties, and all the tested rice varieties have shown a polyunsaturated to saturated fatty acid ratio higher than 0.4, the minimum value recommended for a healthy diet. Therefore, generally the whole grains of studied rice varieties can be considered as nutritious and healthy diet, and rice varieties with healthy and nutritionally important fatty acid profiles could be used as raw materials for developing functional food products and also as genetic sources for breeding new rice varieties with high nutritional qualities. And also additionally, the data generated may contribute to the development of National Food Composition Database in Sri Lanka. Thank you.